Okay, this is another WPS which has some interesting features. It was the only page submitted for inspection on site, and no other pages were available, which doesn't help anyone at all. Notice the area specifying joint details. It gives us the most general information imaginable. Welders are supposed to know and understand what they are welding and not where to look in the code. This is impractical and improper for starters. Details should be stated plainly in this area. There would be no problem if the subsequent joint details were provided along with this page. There we would expect to see an AWS joint designation and all the various details of that joint including tolerances. The WPS writer here generically states that these key elements vary. This is another example of an impractical expectation that everyone looking at this WPS will have access to a codebook. Base metals are to be listed plainly, matching with the materials being welded in production. It is actually less work simply writing the base metal specifications than what the writer has written here. Last thing I'll point out is the inefficient mention of code provisions regarding backing other than steel backing. If proper joint details were provided, then no mention of other than steel backing needs to be made. Another example of contractors doing a poor impression of ACWI. Let's change this, won't we?